Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create Asana tasks directly from Slack. This is incredibly useful when you're in the middle of a conversation and someone mentions something that needs to get done. Instead of switching between apps, you can turn that message into an actionable task right there in Slack. Before we begin, make sure you've already integrated Slack with Asana, as this is essential for the process to work. First, open your Slack workspace in your web browser. Once you're in, navigate to any channel or direct message where you've spotted a message that needs to become a task. Here's where it gets simple. Hover your cursor over that specific message. You'll notice a toolbar appears above it with several icons. Look for the More Actions icon, which is represented by 3 dots. Click on it to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Create a Task. This action triggers Asana's task creation form to pop up right within Slack, keeping you in your workflow without jumping between tabs. In the task creation form, start by typing the task name in the designated field. This should be a clear, concise description of what needs to be done. Now, you have the option to add more details to make the task complete. You can add a description to provide context, set a due date so your team knows when it needs to be finished, and assign the task to a specific team member who will be responsible for completing it. These optional fields help ensure nothing falls through the cracks and everyone knows their responsibilities. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Create Task. This immediately adds the task to your chosen Asana project, and it's ready to be tracked and managed alongside your other work items. There's also an alternative method if you prefer starting from scratch. In the Slack message bar, simply type /Asana create and hit Enter. This command opens up the task creation interface manually, allowing you to fill in the task details from a blank slate rather than converting an existing message. Fill in the information as before and submit, and that's it. You've now turned Slack conversations into actionable Asana tasks without breaking your workflow. This integration keeps your team organized and ensures important action items don't get lost in chat threads. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.